blizzards are helping us out with it. Weather effects demonstration. So if you look at the rain look a little higher, you'll see sprinklers shooting the water up into the air. When it falls, it looks just like the real stuff. And it's wet like the real stuff, so things can get a little slippery. Let's all stay seated in this area, okay? But that's how we can create rain here in Hollywood. Hey, thanks, guys. That was great. Guys, can we cut the rain, please? Guys, are you listening to me in there? Uh-oh. Look at on the left. Remember what I said about getting wet, especially from the left-hand side in the first two cars. Don't worry about all that water. We are very water conscious here at NBC Universal. We're not going to wait. What's the shark they were supposed to catch? Is that a diver in the water there? Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. Oops. Ew, ew. Oh man. Oh, he sure had a lot of guts. Okay, I think we all better stay seated. I don't want anybody falling into the water here. And I think we got to keep our eyes open for that shark. You never know where it's going to pop up next. Is it attacking that yellow buoy? Is it attacking the pier? Uh-oh. Is it attacking us?
Oh, there it is.
And that was Bruce, the star of God. Okay, I know what you're thinking. That's a pretty mechanical looking shark. Maybe so, but it works very well. What is he carrying? Oh, I think I know who that is. Why is she wrapped in a shower curtain? What? Whoa. He just plopped her in the trunk of that car. That was not very nice. Oh dear, I think we've outstayed our welcome here. I don't like that look at all. No, it is definitely time for us to check out of the Bates Motel. Oh, everybody lean to your left. Oh, fourth car. I worry. Oh. Oh, I hope he doesn't follow us. Is he following us?
That's ugly.
We all go on that sometimes.
And this brings us on to the spectacular plane crash set